Hey guys, returning from an amazing football game. OSU played a beautiful game all game long. Never lost heart, never gave up, and they practically owned the game till from the very beginning. And I'm in a more than stellar mood, even though my stomach feels like total crap. I I think it's those tostados.
They make my soccer good.
That meat tasted weird.
No, he just makes chili with it. That's why I thought it was weird too.
Yeah, I don't know. But I'm in a okay state, baby. Played an amazing game, and I'm sure all these OU fans, if they see this, and they're like, "Ew, OU, they won the past 8 games, and whatever." That's besides the point. They won, and it's not time for the late night talk show. We'll give them an hour or two. Not late enough, and we're probably gonna be up all night. We're gonna pull it all nighter. But yeah. Oh my god, I'm so excited. That's the most one. And we're level 8, and we got solid bread on Database too. And basically, that's all that's happening right now. And I don't know how much. I wouldn't be surprised if there's gonna be an earthquake.
No, we haven't had it in a while.
No, I mean, because on the last OSU game here in Oklahoma, we had a 5 point. What was it? 6?
I think it was 5.6. No,
5.6. 5.6 earthquake.
5.6 aftershock. It was insane. 4.7 earthquake and multiple aftershocks that were larger.
Actually, the 5.6 was to the opposite earthquake. It was centered a couple, not even miles north. It was like maybe a couple.
I was told.
What I thought it was, but it was a total. The 4.7 was a pre-shock to that larger. Yeah, it's called a foreshock. Then earthquake and then a big earthquake, which I didn't even know they had foreshocks either until my science teacher was like, "Yep, the 4.7 was a foreshock, the 5.6." I was like, "What?" So, big one or not. And you know what's weird is that it happened after an OSU win. So, I mean, OSU has won the last couple games. Just a feat.
They have the fireworks.
Yeah, my dad actually, I can hear the boom. It's pretty cool. Just got a shower. Shower's fun. My friend, no hair. We were sitting there, and he was like, "On my new BB gun, the bolt is really hard to pull back." And he goes, "That's a hard cock." And I go, "That's what she said."
Totally
That one was coming for him. Just like OU had OSU coming to kick their butts. And it was 44 to 10.
Yeah, 44 to 10. They scored their first touchdown in the last 2 minutes of the game.
Yeah, which is really sad.
Yeah.
So, just want to let y'all guys know. And talk show will be coming soon. About an hour or two. So, should be expecting that. Have fun with that. And I will see you guys later.